Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is not a recipe, this is a vlog. Today I am making some lasagna and I am getting my sauce on. It is about 1 o'clock in the day. We skipped Taco Tuesday. Today's Wednesday, but that's okay. We'll go to Taco Bell one day this week, so we'll get our Taco Tuesday on, but it might not be on Tuesday. But I am making some spaghetti, or some lasagna. Got my windows open. It's going to be a beautiful day outside today. It's supposed to be like in the upper 70s, and my dogs are over there fighting over a toy that's not even theirs. It's the cat's, and they know they're not supposed to be chewing on it. You know not to chew on that. You can lick it, whatever, but you can't chew it. Don't chew that toy up. And he listens to me. He looks at me and moves his head side to side, and he knows what I'm talking about. They get scolded all the time. But I am making some lasagna because I asked my husband what he wanted for dinner today, and he really couldn't decide. He's like, "Well, you cockeyed." He's like, "I chose last time." I'm like, "No, you didn't. You never choose." I make all the decisions about supper all the time, and breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so I wanted to keep it easy. So I said, "How about some lasagna?" And he said, "That sounds really good." So lasagna is really simple to make, and I've got my world famous sauce going on here. Well, I haven't got it going on yet. I do have my ground chuck in a pan. I've already drained it, so I'm going to go ahead and add some goodies to it to get my sauce started. I like to add some olive oil to it. But yeah, that's what he wanted for dinner. He said it's perfectly okay, perfectly all fine. I swear I've not been drinking. Not yet. I swear, Ossifer, I haven't had a lick to drink yet. But I haven't. I haven't. But he wants lasagna, and you know what baby wants, baby gets. Yeah, I'm good too. Hey, I got a good idea. If you can tell me, whoever tells me, I'm about to burn my hamburger. Whoever tells me you got 15 minutes from the time this is posted to comment. Tell me what famous movie that line is from. What baby wants, baby gets. 15 minutes from the time this video posts, I will send you a free signature blend in the kitchen with Sandy. Got it right over here with all my other spices. I won't send you this one. I'll make you up one because see, mine's almost empty. 15 minutes from the time that this posts. The first person who comments what famous movie that line is from, what baby wants, baby gets, I'm going to send you a free complimentary bottle of my signature blend seasoning. How's that? Oh my God. I am so. My dog's over there. There's a paper plate over there on the floor too that they found somewhere and been licking on. And I've already got my ground chuck already nice and cooked. And I'm going to throw in my onions and my garlic. That's about 3 cloves of garlic. Yes, that's a lot of garlic, but you know me. I like garlic. If you don't like garlic, then number one, don't watch this video, or don't put all that garlic in there, because I'm going to add some garlic salt or garlic powder as well to this, just because that's what I do. Oh my gosh, I love the smell of that. I drained my ground chuck. You guys know I drained my ground chuck before I add my onions and my garlic in there. And yes, it makes sense to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil to it because, you know, lasagna is it's an Italian dish. And olive oil adds just an extra layer of goodness. Don't you agree? You know I'm right. You know I'm right on that. Don't even fight me over it. Don't argue with me. Don't fight with me. It's the truth. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's really good. That's just a little extra goodness. Like I said, my ground chuck is already done, so I'm going to go ahead and add my other stuff to it to get it started. I want it to, then I got to get my house clean. I started, which I'll show you a little bit later on. I've already filmed that part of it, but I went to Walmart yesterday and bought all the stuff for for my babies for Easter. Yeah, I know all my babies are old. I got old babies. I'm adding 2 cans of tomato sauce. You know what? I might not even need 2 cans of tomato sauce. And a can of, if I get tomatoes on my New York shirt, I'm going to be ticked off. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put another one in there because I'm making it nice and saucy. I'm only going to make one big container of lasagna. I figure I think I work Friday night. Do I work Friday night? I don't work Friday night. That's going to be our Taco Tuesday night, Friday. Do I work Friday? No. I don't even know. Well, I'll freeze what we don't eat, and then I'll call Nick and have him come get him some. And I'll save Brandon some. In fact, I better text Nick and let him know if he won't stop after work tonight and get him some he can. I don't like my meats. I don't like my sauce really. My lasagna sauce really super meaty sometimes. And today's one of those days that I don't like it real saucy. So guess what? It's not going to be real saucy. It's not going to be real saucy. I forget what I was talking about. Why is it coming out of there? Is that opened already? It's my Italian seasoning. Oh, I went to Walmart yesterday and got a whole bunch of stuff for Easter. And I said to myself, you know what? I'm not going to make big old baskets. My kids are old. I'm going to just make some small baskets for them. Okay, I don't know what that noise was. And I'm here alone, but my dogs went to investigate. I guess they'll let me know if I need to fill my drawers or not, you know what I'm saying? What is it, pups? I love the smell of that Italian seasoning. I put lots in there. This is a lot of sauce. So you have really got to season that. But yeah, I thought I'm not going to get a whole lot of stuff. I'm just going to make them small baskets because I'm cooking a big dinner for Easter and I don't have time for all that. You know, I'm using this stuff. But I bought way too much candy and I bought the baskets are a lot smaller and I'm like, oh my god, I'm in trouble. I gotta get some bigger baskets because that ain't gonna work. I bought a crap load of candy, which you will see. Oh, don't you even start that on my shirt. This is basil leaves. And I'm going to use some oregano, if I can find it. I gotta open that slowly. I don't need sage. I don't need cumin. I don't need bay leaves. I need some bay leaves. Oh my gosh, this is what makes pasta sauce absolutely phenomenal. 1, 2, and that is a big pot of it, so I'm going to put 3. And I need some oregano. And I'll probably add just a little tiny pinch of sugar. Just a little bit, just to break down the acidity in it a little bit. When I use this much, I just take it off and I'm also going to use some onion powder. Look at it trying to pop on me. I'm going to have to go change my shirt. Now, I just throw it all in there and stir it. Let it cook for a little bit. And then I taste it and see what else I need to add. That is all I do. I think I already have a recipe on here for my pasta sauce, lasagna sauce. You could use this with lasagna, spaghetti, shells, any type of noodle you want to use. All right, what's going on in there? Hey. Hey kids, what's going on in there? Mama's here alone, so I need to know whether to start running out the back door or not. Yeah, I'm a big puss. I probably shouldn't have used that word here on YouTube, should I have? I'm a big chicken. Let's back up a little bit. You don't need that much Sandy. This is in the kitchen with Sandy. Ooh. This is in the kitchen with Sandy, not in the face of Sandy. But just a reminder, and I hope somebody wins this. 15 minutes. You got 15 minutes from the time that I post this video to let me know exactly what movie that is from. So that's going to be fun. How about that for some excitement? And also, don't forget, you guys know I'm doing my giveaway. May the 3rd is your the last day. I've got a lot of people commenting on my videos, and excuse me, I'm super excited about that. I got my people who comment all the time, and you know who you are, and I love you very much for supporting me constantly. But yeah, my big giveaway is coming up for Mother's Day. What's going on in there? Roscoe, you better go see. Roscoe's a big chicken. Mark it on your calendars, May 3rd. That is the last day that you can, not the last day you can subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe 24/7. And if you haven't, I'm really ticked off, and you should be subscribed. But that is the cutoff. That is what I'm going to look to see when everybody has subscribed. Make sure that you're leaving a comment below. I'd appreciate if you'd share my videos, you know, on your Facebook page, whatever, you know, some of my recipe videos, whatever. I would appreciate that. Some of my food porn. A lot of people like, if you don't really want to share the recipe videos or whatever, the food porn would be perfect. I mean, absolutely perfect, because that's kind of like the, you know, you gotta share. You gotta share. Anyway, I'm going to get this lasagna on. You want to look at my sauce real good? Because I'm going to have to go investigate in there. Because something's going on in there. Look at that. Look at that. And you know I'm going to show this to you when I get my lasagna together. I can't tell if you're... Alright. I think somebody has my dog in here, so I'm going to have to go see what's going on. Fight back in 5 minutes. Come look for me. Alright guys, what do you think about that? Put that lasagna together in a nice fashion, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to cover the top of this with foil, and I'm going to bake it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when we're ready to eat. Alright guys, look at that beautiful, beautiful lasagna. Look how pretty that is. And I've already got us a salad made. Looks pretty. We are doing salad, and then I'm also making some garlic bread, so I gotta get my garlic bread in the oven. I hope you like this little vlog. You know I love you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.